What's up, family? Yo, it's your brother Abdul, and I'm in Wegmans, and I wanted to just show you guys quickly. A lot of y'all like, yo, what you be using for your eggs? What you be doing with this? What you be doing with that? Oh, I don't eat too much soy, whatever. Check it. I'm gonna show you guys what you can substitute if you don't eat soy, and if you don't care. I'm gonna show you all the alternatives. For all those people thinking that vegan food is like, it's nothing there, listen. Less processed is better for you. So let's go into it right now. Let me show y'all. Alright, family, so we have tempeh, right? This is tempeh. It does have soy, but it's good. This is vegan bacon. This is tempeh, all right? So it's made from soybeans, high in protein, okay? So that's one, right? And then we have your tofus. And then we got good old PUMFU, guys. Everybody know about PUMFU. I talk about it all the time. 17 grams of protein, guys. Let me tell you something. You want to make some vegan eggs, you could use this. It's soy-free, gluten-free, and all that, all right? So now we're going to go next door to Big Mountain. This is also soy-free. Tofu. So if you don't want to eat this because you don't want to pay that, then you could get that for this. So you could make vegan eggs from this. But if you don't care about all that and you want the delicious tofu, let me show you the price. So you decide, guys. So vegan eggs, tofu, add some, you can add some turmeric powder, black pepper, Himalayan salt, scrambled eggs. Alright, guys, so there you go. And that's a plethora of everything. This is all processed stuff. I don't really mess with this stuff, but this is good because this is all from mushrooms. So you got the lion's mane burger, and these are all mushrooms. This I don't really mess with. If y'all do, it's up to y'all, but this is also vegan. It's vegan eggs. And if you don't feel like doing that, you want to have a egg over easy, how my hand got stuck, you put those on there. Alright, guys, so woman owned, you already know. So, and these, or if you want to make sandwiches, if you into that, and if you into the processed stuff, good luck. If you eat it in moderation, it is what it is. And then, guys, y'all got the my bacon, which is made with mushrooms as well, guys. It's really, really good. I tried it, but it's too expensive for me. You know, it's too expensive for me. So if you on a budget and you trying to get some, you can get these, or you can make your own. All right, family. So, and this is Vegan Kingzz, and I'm out. Peace.